Okay, let's do it. Okay, hello dear friends, good afternoon, such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. I just had my hair cut, so it's not yet very yesterday or the day before yesterday I got it cut. So there is still a little bit not yet really into my shape. I'm pretty happy, and my family said that this side is a little bit thicker and this side is a little bit smooth. I personally do not, I can feel this side a little bit longer, but because this side is has less hair, so it's not a big deal. And I usually do this way. Anyway, so get a haircut, get everything ready so that I can be easy and comfortable to get along, to get on with my life. Let's do the simplest makeup, the very, very, very simple makeup. And today is no big deal. I do not need to be too just there's no event, nothing, but I do want to cover up a little bit of the oily face. It needs a little bit of face powder to diffuse the light bulb effect of our face. Nothing complicated, nothing fancy, very, very, very simple. Very, very simple. Go ahead. This one is almost finished. I'm so happy. Every time when I am about to finish something, I feel happy. It's kind of a little tiny celebration for me because I achieved something, right? You buy something and you do not finish it, you feel that you are not treating your products with respect. That feeling is however much money you have cannot buy. Even you have the whole world, the psychology or the feeling of rarity, feeling of desire is the most fascinating thing, is such a rewarding feeling. So give yourself the chance to finish something. It's very, 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 it's a big gift. It's a gift better than money can buy. Does this make any sense? Right? Especially in nowadays, in this world, we can all afford makeup, I think. Not because there is all price level of makeup. If you want to do makeup, if you want to have something You do not need to spend a lot of money. $3, $5, you can do a makeup, right? You can buy something. It does not have to be $20, $30, $40, $100, $200. No. No, 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 no. You can have fun at any price level. It's about your intention. You pay attention to life. You have a good, interesting attitude towards life. You want to appreciate life in the way that you can afford. Most of the people can do it. I know there are people may have trouble to do that, but just be grateful. You are belonging to the people who can afford a makeup, right? You belong to the people who can afford $5. Appreciate this privilege. What I'm talking about, it's so far away from important, from anything. Anyway, I got one comment said that they like this kind of random everyday life, makeup, and these sort of things. So it's very encouraging. Never thought about doing my thing can be. Never can I understand that doing my thing is not a waste of your time. But some people enjoy it, or some people find it relaxing, and then I am doing it, right? It's too much. Too bright. So very bright. It needs a little bit neutralizing. Oh no, I need to show you something. This is a loser unboxing. Wait me a moment. So bright. Okay, now let's do a loser unboxing. I will open it up in front of your eyes so you can see the hair. Do not worry too much. You can. Then it's good. Okay, let's do a loser unboxing. I didn't open it up because I want to do a serious loser unboxing, but I am doing this and that. I never have the spirit of doing a loser unboxing, so now this is the last moment. I have to do it, otherwise you will not see it. And this one is from Muji. I like, oh. Okay, a little bit lighter is better. And I like Muji products. And this one is, I think, another year when I was in China I had it. And you cannot find it in America. It's not sold in America. You cannot find it in Europe. It's not sold in Europe. You only find it in Beijing. Or maybe Japan, I do not know. I have never been to Japan. And the Muji has their flagship store, I think, in Beijing. And this one I got in Beijing, 银彩润唇膏. So it's a tinted lip balm with very light color. And it's a neutral color, not so shiny, not so bright. I like this color, looks very humble, not bright, shiny, and looks expensive. This looks inexpensive and just very subtle. And another thing, it's thin. You can see this one is much thicker, much larger. It takes much more volume in traveling package, right? And I like everything thin and long. If you put into your makeup containers, things like that, you can put into container. But if you put this one, there is no room. So I like it thin. I like everything. And this one is thicker. I do not like. I like thinner stuff. I like thin stuff, smaller stuff. And this is one of the thin one. And put into travel package, it takes much less space. It's good. Now let's see the color. Clean up my hand. Almost no color. Oh my goodness, this is a little bit too no color. Almost no color. But okay, wipe it out. Let's try it. No color. Myself. It's a little bit yuzu, a little bit of citrus smell, fragrance. I feel this color is a little bit too, at least for so dark color of myself, this is not strong enough. I do need some coloring. Now let's try this one. This one is this one is Reblon. Now I will clean up so that it's get rid of any color. So I often use this in my class, and so not too bright, but sufficient, I feel. So the best combination, if I say, is something very bright, too bright, with something quite no character. This way you even them out. That's a little bit too much. Now it's better. See, the color becomes so strong. Anyway, that's it. I like it thin and small, and I usually have two colors. So one bright, one not so bright. This is a good one. I am going to take it to a different place. 可以等一下吗？Okay. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really